There's no doubt that Pumbaa is special for a variety of reasons, but the thing that makes it so special to me is how really unbelievable the elephants are. Every guide can tell you the most amazing stories of how relaxed the elephants are, how close they come to the vehicles, and I've never really seen anything like it at any other park or in the country or from any wild elephants anywhere, to be honest. The original herd came from 𝗙𝗓𝗦, quite close to Kruger, and the same two females still lead the herd. And it's the girls that really bring their little ones quite close. It's a really unique situation where they show no aggression and they just let the little ones really cruise straight past us with no worries whatsoever. The herd's always special to watch in a big group, but it's the close encounters with the big males that really manage to get the heart racing. We've had numerous encounters where males will actually use the vehicles as scratching posts, and you can actually hear their skin scratching against the vehicle. It's quite phenomenal.
Bit of sleep. Having a sniff.
Oh my word, so close. Oh,
There's honestly just nowhere else in the world that I would rather go to see elephants than Pumba Private Game Reserve. It is just the most special group of animals, the most special setting. It's just out of this world.